This is a used 2013 Land Rover LR4. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Lumberton Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5045 Dawn Drive, Lumberton, North Carolina 28358.